Hey future drivers! Today, we're going to be covering the topic of AI, specifically ChatGPT and Henry Ford, knowing fine well that algorithms don't buy cars. Be sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for all the latest EV news and reviews. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. According to a report from Project Syndicate, Microsoft is reportedly thrilled with the advancements made by OpenAI in the field of artificial intelligence. The company has developed a natural language program called ChatGPT, which has the ability to generate text that closely mimics human writing. This is a major breakthrough in the field of AI, and Microsoft is said to be particularly impressed with its capabilities. Despite this exciting news, it appears that Microsoft's stock, represented by the ticker symbol MSFT, has seen a slight decrease of 0.2%. However, this should not be seen as a negative reflection of the company's overall performance or the potential impact of ChatGPT. Instead, it may simply be a temporary fluctuation in the stock market. Overall, Microsoft's enthusiasm for ChatGPT highlights the increasing importance and potential of artificial intelligence in the modern world. With its ability to mimic human language, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way that businesses communicate and interact with customers, among other applications. Microsoft's positive response to this technology only serves to further solidify its position as the leader in the field of AI. The past decade has seen companies and venture capital funds take advantage of readily available financing to invest billions in an AI race. The result is a technology that has the potential to automate an increasing number of tasks previously performed by humans. However, this trend could have far-reaching negative consequences, not only for the workers whose jobs are at risk, but also for consumers and investors. The widespread adoption of AI has the potential to disrupt established industries and create new challenges for society as a whole. The impact of AI on the workforce is clear. As tasks that require strong communication skills become automated, there will be a decrease in well-paying jobs in those fields. While manual jobs such as cleaners and drivers may still be required, it is understandable for workers in other industries to feel concerned about their future employment prospects. The trend towards AI in customer service is worth examining. Companies are likely to turn to AI solutions like ChatGPT, which can use language to diffuse frustration and appease customers, instead of hiring human employees for these interactions. This shift will result in fewer entry-level job opportunities, perpetuating a pattern set by previous technological advancements. The lack of these starting positions may limit the potential for individuals to launch and build a career. The current focus on using AI to reduce labor costs appears to overlook the potential consequences for both the immediate customer experience and the future purchasing power of American consumers. While chatbots may be effective for answering straightforward and repetitive inquiries, it is typically more complex and unique questions that prompt individuals to reach out to customer service. By relying on AI to handle customer service interactions, companies may not be fully addressing the needs of their customers and may be sacrificing the potential for long-term customer satisfaction and loyalty. Additionally, if a significant portion of the workforce is displaced, it could negatively impact the overall spending power of consumers, leading to a domino effect across the economy. In times of crisis, such as a flight delay or a plumbing emergency, individuals desire to speak with a competent and compassionate professional who has the resources and skills to effectively resolve the issue. Being placed on hold for an extended period of time is unacceptable, just as having an initial interaction with an AI chatbot that cannot provide practical assistance is unsatisfactory. In these scenarios, speaking with a human who has the ability to quickly and efficiently address the problem is crucial. A chatbot may have impressive language capabilities, but it can't substitute the expertise and problem-solving abilities of a trained professional. In an ideal scenario, the market would be open to new companies that can offer exceptional customer service and take over market share. However, in reality, there are numerous barriers to entry that impede the rapid expansion of new businesses. While individuals may have a fondness for their local bakery, a helpful airline representative, or a trusted doctor, starting a new grocery store chain, airline, or hospital is a much more complex and challenging undertaking. Established companies hold significant advantages, including market power, which allows them to choose from available technologies and implement them in a manner that best suits their interests. At a deeper level, new companies aiming to provide superior products and services typically require innovative technologies, such as digital tools that can enhance worker productivity and allow for the creation of more personalized services for clients. However, with the current focus on AI investments prioritizing automation, the development of these types of tools is being overlooked and neglected. Investors in publicly traded firms will also suffer in the era of ChatGPT. These companies have the potential to enhance their offerings to consumers by investing in new technologies that increase worker efficiency and enable the performance of additional tasks, as well as providing ample training opportunities to upgrade employees' skills. However, they are currently failing to take advantage of these opportunities. Many executives remain fixated on a strategy that'll be seen as detrimental in hindsight, reducing staffing levels and keeping wages at minimum levels. They follow this course of action due to the influence of analysts, consultants, finance professors, and other executives who tout it as the right approach, and because Wall Street evaluates their performance based on comparison to other companies that are also exploiting their workers. Moreover, the advent of AI technologies like ChatGPT will only exacerbate the negative social impacts of private equity. Already, vast profits can be generated through the acquisition of companies, following by loading them with debt and going private, while at the same time, draining their workforce and paying substantial dividends to the new owners. With the help of AI technologies like ChatGPT, it will become even easier to extract maximum labor from workers through increased workplace surveillance, harsher working conditions, and employment through zero-hours contracts, among other practices. The consequences of these trends can be catastrophic for the spending power of Americans, which drives the economy of the United States. However, as stated in our upcoming book, Power and Progress, Our 1,000-Year Struggle Over Technology and Prosperity, a sluggish economy is not inevitable. Throughout history, the implementation of new machinery and technological advancements has had varying outcomes. For example, Henry Ford revolutionized the automobile industry more than a century ago by heavily investing in new electrical machinery and creating a more streamlined assembly line. While these advancements introduced some level of automation through centralized electricity sources, allowing machines to carry out tasks more efficiently. We're gonna wrap it up here, future drivers. What do you guys think of AI becoming more prevalent in society? Do you think AI will replace humans, or merely further them in their endeavors? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for all the latest EV news and reviews. We hope to see you in our next video. Until next time.